Okay guys, welcome to another series of how to save money for your car repair. My name is Michael Chung and today I'm going to talk to you is about this spiral clock spring for your car. Okay, first I'm going to share with you guys is what's the function of this. This one is to connect your steering wheel to your horn, and this one also connects to your airbag assembly too. So what does it do is it allows you to turn your steering while the wires is connected to your horn and your airbag. Okay, so when you see there is a sign of the airbag logo at your dashboard, there's an error, and there is one more problem that you can notice is when you don't have a horn. When you horn, there isn't any sound coming out. Okay, so this one is most probably is this assembly has spoiled. Inside there is a foldable wire, so it allows it to rotate and still stay connected. So after years of wear and tear, it may break down inside and causing short circuit inside. So it won't work after a certain period of time, or fault installed by the previous mechanic. This one is happens to inexperienced mechanics when they open up the steering wheel to do alignment, which is not recommended, and then they install wrongly, and then when it's supposed to, for example, it's supposed to turn 2 rounds to the left, 2 rounds to the right, but if they install like 1 round to the right, so it can only turn 1 round to the right, that's all. But if the driver turns another half a round, then the wires inside will break. So this one will cause this spiral clock spring to spoil. Okay, so that's all from me today. I hope you guys can learn something from me, and I hope you guys enjoy this series too. See you. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and then I'll see you guys soon. Please subscribe if you think this video helps you, and share if you guys can benefit your friends.